Welcome to 241 Bluebird Lane, Bayfield, priced at only $489,000, making this an affordable lifestyle change. This 12-acre custom log home is located right between Durango and Bayfield. Nestled in the pines at the end of a private road, you can enjoy peace year-round. This wonderful location also offers a country setting, privacy, hiking and biking out your back door, with minutes to state land. Set up for a hobby farm including horses, 241 Bluebird is a special place with great energy. Raise a family, hobby farm, retire in peace. The options are unlimited. You are purchasing a true piece of Colorado at 241 Bluebird Lane, Bayfield.